Hey everyone, welcome back to the Knowledge Radio. Today, we're talking about something that could have changed the whole world. But now, most people don't even remember it. What if I told you we almost found a way to make endless energy without any pollution and without using things like oil or gas? Sounds like a dream, right? Well, scientists thought they had found that dream with something called cold fusion. But here's the surprise. It didn't happen. So what went wrong? And why did this big idea just disappear? Let's find out the mystery of cold fusion together. Let's start with understanding this easily. Fusion happens when two small things, like atoms, come together to make one bigger thing. When this happens, a lot of energy is made. The sun does this all the time. It's like a huge fusion machine in space. But on Earth, fusion is really hard to do because it needs super high heat, millions of degrees. Now, cold fusion was supposed to make this energy without needing all that heat. Imagine powering the whole world, cleanly and cheaply, without burning anything or making pollution. It could have been something amazing. In 1989, two scientists named Stanley Pons and Martin Fleischmann said they did the impossible. They made cold fusion happen. They said they could make energy using simple tools in a lab at room temperature. This news spread super fast. People thought it was the biggest discovery ever. Newspapers said it would solve all our energy problems. Everyone was excited, thinking we were about to have a new energy revolution. But then, something strange happened. Here's the problem. No one could repeat their results. Other scientists tried to do the same experiments, but it didn't work for them. People started to wonder if Pons and Fleischmann made a mistake. Did they really make cold fusion? Or was it an accident? Over time, people stopped being excited. The scientists couldn't prove that cold fusion worked, and the media started talking about other things. Cold fusion, which was once called the perfect solution to energy problems, became more of a mystery. Now, here's a question. What if cold fusion had worked? What would our world look like today? For one thing, we wouldn't have to worry so much about climate change. We wouldn't need to burn fossil fuels like oil and gas, so there would be a lot less pollution. Imagine all the energy we could have for houses, cars, and even space travel, all without hurting the Earth. Cold fusion could have helped us have a clean and green future. But instead, cold fusion is now just a dream. Some people still believe it's possible. There are a few scientists who are still working on it, but so far, no big successes have happened. Now here's another twist. Did we give up on cold fusion too soon? After Pons and Fleischmann's experiments didn't get more support, most scientists stopped working on it. But what if they had kept trying? What if we had spent more time and money to fix the problems? Could we be living in a world powered by cold fusion today? Some people think we missed a big chance, while others say it was just too good to be true. The story of cold fusion teaches us that science doesn't always go the way we think, but it also shows us how important it is to keep looking for answers. So, that's the story of cold fusion, the forgotten idea. It was the technology that could have changed everything, but now it's part of history. Will we ever see cold fusion work in the future? Who knows? Maybe one day, we'll figure it out. Thanks for listening to the Knowledge Radio. If you like this story, click the like button and subscribe for more interesting science and tech stories. Until next time, stay curious and keep dreaming about a better future.